Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Yo, hey, tell them, yo, I trade anyone, told, let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SP, X, you going 30 low. You haven't got the block.
You haven't got the
Sniper. You haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded.
Good morning.
What's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered, red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders didn't stand a chance. Game over, it's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I meant today. I was forged in the dark, you fake traders better run.
Good morning, good morning.
We gon' take it, tread lines, headed shoulder patterns. Keep up and
Morning, Lazarus.
System.
Good morning. Woo! I have a feeling it's going to be a good one this morning.
Trade anyone, told us. Yo, hey, tell them. Yo, I trade anyone, told us go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SP, X, you going 30 low. You haven't got the block.
You haven't got the... Good morning, peeps. All right, I'm all set up.
All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back.
Good morning, Goriliano. Good morning, D-Nice, Filio. Good morning, Saw. Good morning, Neville.
Don't matter, let's go, it's over. Fake traders didn't stand a chance. Game over, it's over, it's over.
Nope, not CPI yet. Coming up in an hour and 10 minutes. Good morning, Barry Deutsch.
We gon' take it, tread lines, headed shoulder patterns. Keep up and nasty, you make me laugh. You get my buff the floor the whole way. Don't work, come to the winning side, baby. Safety trade system.
All right. Good morning, peeps. I just love that music. Gets me in the right mood. All right. I'm pointing to the Litecoin minus, because you're about to see that Litecoin minus go to plus, I don't know, $200-300 before long, just like this Litecoin did. Target looks like it's pulling back. We'll be able to get back into that again. Look at PFEs even in the money. These were all negative, and now they're all positive. See, look at that, 7 cents. Woohoo! Normally I would sell that in 2 seconds. All right, so remember that these were negative. Now they're positive. Okay, guys. It's, whatever. Okay. Now, next up. I gotta turn my alarms on. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, tits, Facebook Live. Good morning to everybody. Setting my alarms up. We'll go ahead and trade CPI. It is today, right? Someone whispered that and said that's when it was. I was like, oh, okay. Good morning, good morning, good morning, peeps. What a wonderful day. CPI, play the music. Got to tell you what's upcoming. Good morning, Janet. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Let's see what's going on. We got a little dip going, maybe to the 3-minute blue line. Let's take a look. 2-minute first. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Let's go to the 3-minute. Already there. Let's go to the 4-minute. Oh, that was free money for SPX to the. Come on now, what the fuck? Sell stop. Especially free money NQ1 NAS back to the 4-minute blue line on a ricochet. It's going to arch up, hook, and come back down to the 4-minute. I would never trade a 4-minute sell because it's just forming us a higher buy stop time frame, which is, oh, we don't have the other thing set up, my bad, which is, I'll tell you where. So 4-minute sell, and let's pop up to here somewhere. Nope, higher. There we go. $90-minute buy stop on ES1, SPX, and Q1 and NAS, but it's a little bit higher for YM1. And we're looking at a 12-hour? Can't be a daily, there's no way. Almost. 12-hour daily buy on YM1 and US30. This will be the push where it goes up over its record high. It'll go past 44,910 on the daily, and then it will go past 45,322, which I did not know it hit a record already, but yeah, we'll still call them out. All right, so let's write all that out so you guys can be clear. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How about we say Grand Rising? Today is 8/12/25. Is today Tuesday, though? I really don't know. I think it's Tuesday. Not sure on that. Live trading. Day trading. Swing trading. Every kind of trading you can name. All right. Upcoming on today's show. I will call out 35 different symbols. And tell you exactly what they are going to do. Next, we have to go over the robot. Go over robots. Next, we have to trade CPI live. Next, teach you all how to trade to be consistently profitable. Answer any and all of your questions. Good morning, good morning, good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch. All right. Coach JV. What's up, Coach JV? Welcome to the channel. I don't recognize your name. Now, if all those words are spelled correctly, I'll be shocked. Good morning, Kirk Brown. Good morning, Ellen. Good morning, Grant. What's up? Oh, Keith. Keith Palmer's in the house. Oh, my gosh. Thank you all for all your well wishes for Keith. All your blessings, I should say, for Keith and my beautiful wife, Bree. Keep the blessings coming is all I can ask. And we're also praying for each and every one of you and your loved ones. Thank you all. Everyone should be thanking Keith for being here. Good morning, Keith. Good morning, Keith. Good morning, Keith. Keith is the one who does all the coding that you guys see on these indicators. It's I don't know how he takes my mind and put it there, but he does. He does an amazingly fantastic. He's an even amazingly better person, by the way. Yes, it's time. Good morning. Yes, it's time. Good morning, Fletch and Kirk Brown. Good morning, Ellen and Grant and Keith. Keith is in the house. What a blessing. The great Keith Palmer. Put some respect on his name. I love saying that. KJ said the great Keith Palmer when he was on one time. I said, yep, your dad is the great Keith Palmer. He laughed. They have a great relationship. Grand Rising to everybody. I don't know. Good morning is supposed to be like your morning the day, blah, 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 whatever. Just a happy day to you. How about all that? And we all got problems. And no, my life is not perfect. And no, Keith's life isn't perfect. And Bree's life is not perfect, although I try my best to make it so. Oh, we booked a cruise. Me and Bree did. Yay. Not only did we book a cruise, we're going to be going to see a concert soon. So great news there all the way around. Keith, did you hear the song this morning, Keith? Joe Flacco. Good morning, Joe. No, Flacco. I don't know what his first name is. Good morning, Larry Cooper, and God bless you. What's up? Matt Parker's in the house. Keith, did you hear the song this morning? Because I really want to play it again. Would anybody? Is everybody okay if I play the song and it's only like a minute and 40 seconds? I just want to play the song again. I hope it doesn't piss anybody off. Even if it does, tough shit, it's my show. Grant, thanks to Keith for coding Kev's mind. And thanks for Kevin Bree for all. Yeah, he does a lot and Bree does a lot. So give thanks to God. It's a grand day, happy day. There you go. Amen to that, Keith. All right, Keith, I'm going to play a song just in case you didn't hear it. And just because I want to. But listen to the words. Starts off with Yo, Kev. Listen to this.
Yo, Kev, tell them. Yo, I trade anyone, tell it.
Listen to this.
Come on alive, choose your weapon. Yeah, SP, and you go and start it low. You haven't got the block. You haven't got the sniper. You haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded.
I just love this
Night
song.
R1, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News.
Not to your maker.
Left, we got it covered. Red fold,
Fuck
yellow
the
folder.
news.
Don't matter. Let's go. It's over. Fake traders this dead chance. Game over. It's over. It's over. You can never take from me what I mean today. I was forged in the dark. You fake traders better run from the bark in the park. Will you take it? Tread lines, head and shoulder patterns. Keep up and latching. You make me laugh. You get my buck up off the floor the whole ways. Don't work. Come to the winning side. Baby, safety trade system.
Making fun of the news. Making fun of the other RSI. Oh my God. This is a classic song right here. I love this song. It is too funny. Oh my God. Yo, Kevin. Oh, that's fun. Good morning, Arginus Luna. Good morning, Matt and Larry Cooper. And good morning, Keith. What's up, Keith Rooney? I know he's happy today. Not as happy as I'm going to be a little bit later today, though. Keith. Woo! Oh, life is tough, but it goes on. Got to make the best of it. We're all going to be dead in 50 years. No one's going to worry about any of this shit. Good morning, Nadal. Good morning, Ace Bullet. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Let's get that TikTok. Keith, we've been pulling 50s and 60s in on TikTok. It's been crazy. Good morning, Larry Cooper, Aussie Trader, Joe Biga, Roy Rodriguez, Nadal, PNB Perry. Welcome to the channel, everybody that's new. All right, I'm about to be calling out 35 different symbols unless somebody has any questions. Good morning, Richard Tuck. Please make sure you're giving thumbs up on YouTube so I stick around there. I'm kind of in a good mood. I don't want to have to leave YouTube. 11 out of 30. That ain't going to work. You guys need about another 20 thumbs up or I'll be closing YouTube. So you guys have to the end of me reading out these 35 symbols. If I don't see way more than 11 thumbs up, I'll be closing down YouTube. Isn't it a great song, Keith? I just love the song. Yeah, definitely smash the like button if you want me to stay on YouTube. Otherwise, I'm out the door, peeps. All right, here we go. We're heading out. We're going to be going to the Breakfast Club. No, we're going to be going to our call-outs. Right now, there's a 4-minute sell on all indices. Wouldn't touch with the 10-foot pole. I'd be looking for the 12-hour buys on all indices. I hope that's clear. 7s if it is. Now, here we go. Let's find out which chart I want to use to make these call-outs. Yeah, the old ways of trading suck fucking ass. How about that one? That's a good chart to use. So let's go. Shall we, peeps? First up in our mighty arsenal will be gold. Gold is always a continuous buy, even though it's crazy high. It doesn't matter. It is a daily, weekly buy stop. It's already gone up amazingly high. It will continue to go up amazingly high. Let me go back to the daily here. It is a daily buy. I've already told you where it's going to. It's already hit 99% of alts take profits. Gold is 3,360, 3,395, 3,450, and then it will go over 3,500 yet again. That is gold.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I think the song just gets us all in the right state of mind. I swear, music is cool. Silver, easy peasy trade. This is a 12-hour buy. Yep, told you. You can see it a mile away. Silver is going to go back up to $38.14, $38.56, and then it will go to the past $40. That is silver. Good morning, Erica.
I am not a
Litecoin
advisor.
If you guys haven't gotten the message on Litecoin when it was at 103, 105, 110, 115, 120, gee, what do you want me to do? Beat you overhead with a fry pan? Fucking Litecoin is a buy stop. It's going to be going back to 140. It'll be going back to 160, 180. I love take profit of 200 for Litecoin. And then, if we're all good, boys and girls, you'll see it go past 400. That is Litecoin. I'm calling out a 50% increase on your money, a 100% increase, a 200% increase, a 300% increase, and a 400% increase on Litecoin. So don't come back and fucking tell me you didn't know about fucking Litecoin when it goes up. Imagine I had all my therapies today. I'm really happy. When it goes up to where I tell you it is, it's going to go there. Type out the word yes if you guys understand Litecoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yeah, that song does get you moving. Hot Rod. Good morning, Eric and Lachey. Look, we finally got some, whoa, look. And then there was Ellen, and we got some women representing in the house this morning. Thank you, Larry, for typing out the word yes. Larry, this is even better than your Ethereum. Let me be clear on that. All right, I have one yes, I'm going on. The rest of you, Larry said yes in both places. Thank you, Larry. I swear, Larry does the work for all of you. And Lazarus, thank you, Lazarus. All right, here we go. Bitcoin. Gee, I wonder what's going to happen to Bitcoin. I don't know. Or I wonder if it's going to go up or down. Permanent buy on Bitcoin. Told you the 12-hour. Told you the 12-hour. Told you it was going to go up to the new. I told you exactly where this motherfucker. Okay, that's it. Hold on. I'm going back here. We're going to go into here. Hold on. Oh, that is it. Because if I don't see, where's my things at? Where's my call outs? If I didn't nail this motherfucking 12-hour Bitcoin, bull fucking shit. I nailed the fuck out of this Bitcoin call. I told you exactly where it was going to go. You could have probably made, I don't know what the hell that was, like 10, 15, 20,000, something like that. Please say this is a current Bitcoin. Bitcoin. 123,000, 10-hour buy stop. When was this done? On 8/11. Yep. There it is. 123,000, then 125. And I know in another one I said 123 and change. Let's see if Bitcoin went to 123,000, shall we? Fuck out of here. Fucking doubters and naysayers. Let's see what this was. I don't know where it actually hit, somewhere around here. 122,607. You want me to call it down to the penny next time? Who here wants me to call out Bitcoin down to the fucking penny? Because I will. I'll call it every one of these damn symbols down to the penny if you want. Good morning. Thank you for saying yes, Fletchberry, Deutsch, Lachey, Ellen. Good morning, GB. Good morning, George. If you want me to call out things to the fucking penny, I will. But it ain't done. Bitcoin is going to go back up to where I said it was. It's going to finish out. It will go above 123,000 and then 125,000. That's what Bitcoin is going to do.
Demo trade.
Good morning, Barani.
A financial advisor.
For all you wimpy people out there, I don't trade what ifs and could be's and support and bullshit resistance. I tell you where the fuck everything's going, and it fucking goes there because God bless this system. Told you about Ethereum. Larry was my witness when it was down here at 1700. Told you it was going here. Take profit 1 hit. Take profit 2 hit. Take profit 3 hit. Take profit 4 was hit. Now where's it going? Gee, past its previous high. It's going to go past 4,800, 4,900, and 5,000. That's where Ethereum's going. You're welcome.
Demo trade on
XRP. Gee, I don't know. Have I been calling XRP right out since 31 cents? Fuck yeah, I have. I've been calling XRP since 31 cents for years. XRP is going to go back up to $3.29, $3.39. Take it to the motherfucking demo bank. Then it's going to go past $3.68 and then $4.
Demo trade only.
All right, next, XLM. Been calling XLM out correctly. XLM is going to 45 cents. XLM is going to 46 cents. And I love that. It's take profit. It'll eventually go over 52 cents. Nike. Oh, yeah, Nike.
Demo
buy
trade
stop.
only. I am not a financial
I've been telling you Nike buy stop. I've been telling you motherfucking Nike buy stop. I've been telling you Nike buy stop. Here you go. Nike buy stop, 12-hour. Take profit 1, $77, then $78 and $82 and $84. That's Nike. I've been screaming at you about Nike. Next, 3-month buy stop Nike. Next, $92, $105, $115. Nike's going to $126.91. And please put that down, Kim. And then Nike will meander past $180. That is Nike.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Target. And you guys have to the end of me calling out these symbols, and I'm kicking off YouTube if I don't have enough thumbs up. I need way more than 20-something thumbs up on YouTube, or I'm gone. Not a threat. I'm actually in a good mood this morning. Target, buy stop, for the love of God. Buy stop. There we go. Target, 5-hour buy stop to 119. Target, 12-hour buy stop to 129. Target daily buy stop to 137. 3 months, 6-month buy stop target. 155. Favorite take profit target is $177.41. Then it's going to go past $275. That's target. CVS.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
CVS. We already made fucking take. Let's be clear on CVS. You've already made take profit 1, 2, 3. You've already made shit tons of fucking money. Been calling CVS since down here at 42. It's now at 66. CVS. Let's see what she's got for us. Nope, already hit it. Let's see. 10-hour buy stop to the blue line CVS, $66. Daily CVS to the blue line. This is a fantastic buy. CVS, $71 daily. Monthly, 3 monthly, 6 monthly, 3-month buy stop, $70, $75, $84.31 is my favorite take profit. Then it will go past $100 CVS.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Great day, try Edwards, Barani. Yes, Keith, make sure you have all your way up. I agree with Keith on that statement. Verizon. Nope, too late on that one. Let's see, daily. Verizon, buy stop to the daily. You don't very rarely get these big symbols to do this. Buy stop, $43.83 for Verizon to the daily blue line. Not if it happens, when it happens. Demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. 6-month Verizon buy stop. I've been telling you about this since December of last year. Fucking free money. $47.80. I love the take profit of $53.31. $62 is where it's going over long term.
Demo trade only.
SMCI. Monthly, weekly. Let's see, 12-hour. 12-hour buy stop. 12-hour daily buy stop. Monthly buy stop. It's already gone up a good bit, but it's going to keep going up. You're fine on this. Take profit 1, $49. Take profit 2, $53. It's going to go back over $60.50. That's where SMCI is going. Then eventually it'll meander past 110. That's SMCI.
Demo trade only. I am
PFE.
not a financial advisor.
PFE. 4-hour buy stop. PFE to the blue line. $26.06. Daily buy stop to the blue line. $32.74. 6-month buy stop. 6-month, $38. I love the take profit of $41.82. Then it's going to go past $60.
Demo trade only. I am not
Starbucks.
a financial advisor.
Starbucks. Buy stop to the, it's already there, to the 4-hour blue line. Hold on. To the 9-hour, to the 10-hour, to the 12-hour. It's already there. To the daily. It's already there. To the weekly. No. Okay, Starbucks is a monthly, 3-monthly buy stop. It's going to go back to $97.67, $100. Then it's going to go to $107.12. My favorite take profit for Starbucks.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And then it will go past 120. Flow. Let's see, monthly. 3-month. Let's go down to the 4-hour. No, let's go down, way down, see if I can catch something for them. Oh, hell yeah, there we go. 1-hour buy stop. 1-hour buy stop to the blue line. Flow, $17.23. Flow then is actually a longer term buy, so we'll jump on that. 3-month buy. It's going to go to $20.73, $22.21. My favorite take profit is $24.67. Then it will go over $30, and that is Flow.
Demo trade only.
Oxy.
I am not a financial advisor.
Oxy. Let's see if we can find some faster money. Oh, that looks pretty. Yeah, let's see. We'll go all the way down here for... Nope, already did it. Let's see, maybe a 2-hour. Yep. Buy stop to the 2-hour blue line, $45.04 for Oxy. To the daily blue line, Oxy, $51.79. 3-month buy stop, Oxy, $65.97. $74.07. $86.20 is my favorite take profit for Oxy. Then we'll meander past 105.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
L. Estee freaking Lauder. L. It's a long-term, but this is a very slow-moving one. L will be going past $100. Then next take profit will go to 125, and then 186, and then you'll see it go past 220, my favorite take profit, and then eventually it'll go past 360.
Demo trade only. I am
TM.
not a financial advisor.
TM. Let's see if we can find you some faster money. Already hit it. Let's go to the 9 hour. Already hit it. Let's go to the 12 hour. Daily. Already. Okay, well, we're good. It is a monthly buy, stop, TM, take profit 1, 2 have been hit, probably take profit 3. Next one, $200 is going to be the next take profit that I love. Then it will go past 250.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
ASML take profit is, well, I was a little late to this party, but it's going to go to 761. Then it's going to go to 800, and then it's going to be my favorite take profit of $855.44, and then it will meander past 1,000. ASL.
Demo trade only.
AT&T. Been calling this one since down here at $15. Told you where it was going. Take profit 1, 2, 3. Your orange line hit. AT&T, 6-month buy, $30.10. Then it's going to go past $33.51. And then it's going to go past $45. That's AT&T. Johnson & Johnson, I just can't speak highly enough of it. It's done exactly what I told you it was going to do. It's a fantastic performer. It's a monthly buy stop. It's hit the red line. It's hit the yellow line. It's gone past the orange line. I mean, I'm going to keep calling it, but it is a closed trade. It's $180 as the next take profit, and then it will go past $187. That is Johnson & Johnson. We've made a shit ton of pips on that. Just amazing. Well, shit ton of money, demo money on that. Just amazing. All right, AMD, another closed trade. Take profit 1, 2, 3. The orange line have been hit. Hell, even the middle. Take 4. Profit's been hit. It's really close. I'm going to call it to over 229, but it's done. AMD's done. Amazon. I've been calling Amazon since it was back here when it was $91 a share. It's gone up and hit the red line, take profit, the yellow line, take profit, the orange line, take profit, the previous high. We're just calling Amazon because I love Amazon. It's just going to keep going up. I'm calling it past $238, but it is a closed trade. So successfully closed trades, J&J, AMD, and Amazon. Also, you can add Netflix to that, and I'm not calling that anymore. All take profits have been hit on Netflix. Netflix is completely closed. I refuse to call that one. NVIDIA, another completely closed trade. All take profits have been hit. NVIDIA, I would strongly recommend you take 30-minute buy stops on that one. So we have closed trades of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Closed all take profits hits trades. Please type out the word yes or a 7 if you understand that 5 of these 40 symbols I call every day have been all take profits that hit and they're closed. So as 7s or yeses, understanding that 5 of them have perfectly formed, have performed perfectly for us, and that they're closed now. You still have time on 30, 35 other symbols, but these 5 they ran their course. When I have 0 losses on my long-term trades, you can go back anytime you ever want to look on any of these lives. 0 fucking losses, 5 fucking closed trades on these stocks. Good, you guys aren't sleeping. I was just checking to see if you are sleeping. What's up, Mike Galinsky? What's up, Monica? All right. Tesla also closed. I'm recalling Tesla because I want Elon to throw me $1 billion one day. All right. Tesla was called. It's blah, blah, blah. You can clearly see W. You can clearly see we've hit take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, the orange line. It hit the center. It's going to go up over, next stop for Tesla is up over $369.73, then $408, and then Tesla will go past $500. Elon, you got $1 billion. Just throw it my way so I can help others, millions of people make money trading.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. United Healthcare. You want a fucking pile of shit stock that's going to make you so much fucking money you're going to cry yourself to sleep that you didn't take it? It's a sell, and it's a daily sell, and it's a weekly sell to the weekly blue line. It's going to go back down here to 238. It's going to touch it. I don't give a fuck. I don't care how far it goes down. I hope it keeps going down further and further. I would dollar cost average my buys. This is a 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Absolutely hate the stock. Absolutely love the stock. I think all insurance companies are scams of the world. I don't know how to make them right, but they are just taking. I pay like $700. I've never used insurance, thank God, a day in my life. I pay $700 a month for fucking nothing. Pile of shit, fucking scumbag companies. Anywho, but that's a great stock. United Healthcare, $270, take profit. $302, take profit. $340, take profit. $385, take profit. I love the take profit of $433.12. Then eventually it'll go over $642.
Demo trade only. I am
Costco.
not a financial advisor.
I've been calling Costco for over a year. One of our members, I don't know where he's been either, son of a bitch. I've been calling it for him for over a year. He's been making shit tons of money. He has $100,000 worth of demo stock. Costco's take profit's already been hit a few times. I told you. I mean, I can just call what I can call. Now you're getting to ridiculous. It's going to go over $1,001. Then it's going to go over $1,035. Then it's going to go over $1,070. That's Costco. Quite frankly, there's better ones, but there you go.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
ERUSD. Why? Because I love you. 1 minute sell, 2 minute sell, 5 minute sell, I'm not coming back to this, so don't ask. There's so many better symbols to trade than ERUSD. Let me be clear on this. Oh, come on. Where the fuck is it going to? Sell stop to the 45-minute blue line. Wouldn't touch that with a 1,000,000-foot pole. It's a 90-minute buy stop. It's a 2-hour buy stop. 2-hour buy stop. EURUSD, take profit 1.16603. Then take profit 1.17571. Let's go up here to the higher time frames. There you go. 12-hour buy. Told you where it was going already. Whoever likes that one should be thanking me. I don't remember hearing a thank you from him. 1.16953. Then it's going to go to 1.17468. And then it's going to go past 1.18156. I feel sorry for you, Kim. I'm so sorry. And it is a 6-month, 12-month buy stop. It's going to be going to the weekly blue line. After that, it's a huge sell. But right now, that's a buy. Okay, and that is EURUSD. We are done. All right, peeps, you guys on YouTube, you have to the end of this song coming up to go ahead and get the thumbs up, because at the end of this song, if I don't see enough thumbs up, I will be leaving you. Here we go. Enjoy the music. I need thumbs up on YouTube or I'm out the door at the end of this song. I'm not going to question it.
Anyone told it, let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Yeah, SPX, you know it's already low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you. Woo! Market maker, what you talk about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered. Red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders, this dead chance.
Fake traders, baby.
It's over, it's over.
We'll eat CPI this morning.
For me, what I mean today, I was forced.
CPI.
Fake traders better run from the bark in a park. We gon' take it, trend lines, head and shoulder patterns. Keep up and lashes, you make me laugh. You my brother, always don't work, come to the winning side, baby.
Thumbs up on YouTube or I'm out the door, peeps. Gotta go. I'll be on TikTok only when you see this feed be cut. If I don't see well over a shit ton more thumbs up, I'm out the door. Woo! That is such meet the market maker. That is such a fucking cool line. AI is so fucking smart. Uh-oh, looks like we're winding down, peeps. Woo! That is a fun song. I swear to God, that should be like a hit on the radio. I swear to God. Tighten it up a little bit here or there, but oh my, that is too funny. All right, let's refresh my YouTube page and see how many thumbs up we have. 39. You guys saved your own asses. Good job, peeps. I didn't want to go anywhere anyways. I'm in a good mood this morning, believe it or not. Awesome. 39 out of 4. Oh, some of you actually value the calls I make. I'm so sorry I have to threaten grown-up people to push a damn thumbs up button to make thousands and millions and tens of millions and hundreds of millions of dollars for free. I'm telling you where these trades are going for fucking free. And I ask for a thumbs up and you buy my system in return. Boy, that's a tough, Jesus. Some people out there, weird. 40 out of 45 likes, says Bronny. I'm staying. Great job, peeps. All right, here we go. What are you looking at? These are the closed trades that have been 100% correct. If you would have put $1 in when I first told you back on April the 7th, 2025, and US 30, you'd have lost down about $100, $79. You'd have made $7,405. Is that a good call? Yes or no? Everybody. When I told you to get back in on 4-7, when everyone else is telling you Trump's terrorists were going to bring us down, I kept telling you, no, it wasn't. They're going to go up to record highs. 7s, if you remember that. Yeses, if you remember that. 7,400 fucking pips, if you remember that. I told you that was going to go up. I told you it was. Let's see some fucking enthusiasm out here now. The system says sold out. I'll add some more to it. Who here remembers that? I told you could have made $1 into 7,000 fucking dollars if you would have listened to me. If you would have listened to me, you could have taken $1 into 7,000. Am I clear? Am I clear on that? Can you imagine? Listen to what I'm telling you. Can you guys imagine? Listen to what I'm saying. That is what I'm saying. $1. A fucking $1. And some of you still don't fucking do it. Embarrassing. Look at this one. Same for YM. Look at NAS. I told you on April that go back to my live on YouTube and go to April the 7th and watch it. It might have dipped $60. That $1 you would have put in there would have turned to $6,156. Same for NQ. SPX, $1, you might have gone down $35, and it went up $1,421. 7s and yeses, and thank gods that I'm able to make these calls where you guys can turn $1 into $1,400. You can turn $1 into $6,000. You can turn $1 into $7,000. A 0.01 lot size, all you need to do is put on this motherfucking symbols. And you guys could have had 13,000. Let's add them up. You could have had 7,400, 7,400. You could have had 15,000, right? 14,800. You could add another 12,000. You could add another 1,400, another 1,400. Look at all that money if you did put $1 on each one of these symbols. So don't tell me it takes a lot of money to make money. The fuck it does. It takes you using your common fucking sense and open up your fucking mind and listen to my free demo signals. That's what it takes. I'm telling you every fucking day what the fuck to do. Just take my signals. Why is he yelling at us? Why is he so passionate? Because I fucking care. What more can I do for you guys? I'm telling you what the fuck to do, and you still sit there saying, I can't use the system. I can't make money with the system. I can't make money trading. The fuck you can't. Fucking listen to my demo signals and make fucking demo fucking money. Am I clear? Yes or no? Jeez, oh fucking, is there any is my microphone not working this morning? Is it cutting out every other word? Fuck out of here. You could have made $7,000 off $1. You could have made $7,000 off $1. You could have made $6,000 off $1. You could have made $6,000 off $1. You could have made $1,000 off $1. Give me a fucking break. Look at it all. Tell me now the system doesn't fucking work. Tell me now you can't make money with the system. The fuck's wrong with you people? Just listen to my fucking calls. Wake the fuck up. Jeez, oh fucking pizza. God almighty. What's up, Solid Soul? Solid Soul's probably laughing his ass off. He wants more music. He doesn't want me yelling at you. Well, tough shit. Some of you need a fucking wake-up call out there. I fucking make these calls every fucking day. Fucking get the fuck out. I don't understand. Understand my words. Understand English. Understand my fucking arrows when I tell you to fucking buy demo. Fucking buy demo. Jeez, oh pizza. Let's see, did it work on cryptos? Gee, I don't know. I told you to buy fucking Bitcoin, $26,500, and I told you every day for fucking over 2.5 years to buy fucking Bitcoin. I'm telling you, it's at top. It's still going to go up, but you could have bought it fucking $100,000 ago. Did you? Did you? Jeez, oh, XRP. I told you at 31 cents for a year and a half to buy XRP at 31 cents. Did you? I'm telling you to buy Litecoin now. Are you? Demo buy Litecoin. It's going to go up. XRP is already 10 times your money, but some of you still want to buy it. Sure. Bitcoin's already 4 or 5 times your money. 400% profit on a fucking trade. It's a little long in the tooth, but you'll make money on it. Litecoin is your fucking buy for cryptos on the big boys. Oh my God. What about stocks? Gee, I don't know. I've never called the wrong stock a wrong crypto or any of the indices ever. But gee, was I right on Amazon? Yep, 260%, 2.5 times your money on Amazon. Netflix, 225% on your money. Nvidia, 197%, 200% on your money. Nvidia, all closed. I'm still trading the indices. You can still make money. There's your cryptos. But I don't know how to make money. Well, fucking dollar cost average in the Nike, Target, J&J, CVS, L, AMD, Verizon, SMCI, that's closed AMD, PFE, Starbucks, AT&T, Flow, Oxy, AMD, United Healthcare, Tesla, and Costco. And go ahead and dollar, meaning buy a little each month. You can just buy it without even fucking having my system, and you're going to fucking make shit tons of fucking money. I feel like, who's that dude? Oh my God, what's his face? Says fuck all the time. And there you go. Gee, I wonder if gold's gonna go up. I've been fucking telling you gold since $1,300, I believe. Silver, same thing. Oh my God, it's a joke. You had so much time on silver to make money. But yeah, I don't know how to trade. I don't know. Well, here's what the fuck to trade. Well, I don't understand your system. Good. Make demo money off of these fucking stocks, then buy my system when I actually have any in stock. There you go. I mean, what? I mean, here's the proof. Say what the fuck you want. Go back and watch every one of my daily lives. You're all making fucking money. All right, enough screaming and yelling. Let's get back to the music. Does that get through to everybody? Did that get through to everybody? Did that get through to everybody? I hope that got through to everybody. I sure did. Here's a different song.
See me shining today, but it wasn't always like that. Take my hand and walk with me. Let me take you on a journey, living in the land of dreams. Started to turn into a nightmare, couldn't keep up. Bills working day and night, gym bills coming, us want money, blood suckers show no mercy. Do you know the feeling of the whole world weight crushing down on your shoulders? Family gone, friends gone, hope gone. But the one that believed was my reason why. She stayed when they all walked away. She was the light in the dark. My reason, it was free life. It was free, my hope, it was free. So now you can see what she means to me. She set me free, now the world will witness me. Precious, I want the world to know what you mean to me. No matter what, I won't leave. Booby loves Precious with all his heart. They're born and strong like a work of art. Together they shine like stars on
it's a different song. Wasn't that cool? I love it because it has Brie in there. Love and adore. I couldn't love a person more than I do Brie. Couldn't love her more. Good, kind heart, soul. Just a good person. Blessed to have her in my life. What's up, Crash? Joking late. The saying is on YouTube is clear. Oh, good, Ken. I'm glad the sound on YouTube is fucking clear. Crash says, sup, Kev, the fire is back. Sometimes the fire is there. Well, the fire is always simmering right below the surface. I'm always ready to go off. And some mornings I do. Most mornings I don't. I'm just trying to be nice to you all, but I swear to God, it breaks my heart knowing that you guys could be making money on my demo signal calls, your demo money, and you're not doing it. It drives me bonkers. I don't know. I'm still going to play a sell. I'm still going to play a sell. What? What are you doing? Oh. At any rate, does anybody have any questions over anything I asked that I was yelling at you guys about? Anyone at all? Anyone have any questions about it? We still have about 21 minutes to CPI. I believe CPI is today. I'll be trading CPI with you guys. Well, I don't know if I'll be trading it. I'll tell you what it's going to do before it does it, though. It was Bree. It was Mary. Let's see if we can go down here. 15-second buy stop. All indices. I don't know what's going to happen to that fucking CPI, but I'm telling you right now, this is a 15-second buy. Free money to SPX and ES1's blue line. Free money. SPX, ES1, take profit $6,376.49. ES1, I can't see it. We don't have any numbers there. Hold on. 6,400. Free money.
Demo trade only.
This is gorgeous.
Financial advisor.
Gorgeous, gorgeous. How does your garden grow? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. I wish my damn sound alerts were working. I'm so disappointed. I'm going to have to restart my whole computer and everything. It's going to take fucking an hour to reset everything. It's crazy, but that's what that's going to do. There it goes. It's also going to do the same thing on US 30 and NAS. It was Bree. It was Bree. You guys can see where I'm putting in these alerts at. Free money giveaway on the 15-second buy. And specifically, it would be calling, this is a robot call, it would be calling out SPX and ES1. Keith said, that is so cool. What's cool, Keith? Me yelling or the robot making a call? Now, we are going to turn off the robot during a heavy news day, so we have to code that in, Keith. We won't be having it play any hour before, hour after any kind of CPI. All the ones I care about, CPI, NFP, and FOMC in the afternoon. How much is it? How accurate is it? What's up, Nicholas Harborer? Welcome to the channel, Nicholas. Everybody, how accurate is it? Well, you can answer that your own self. I just called this out. The robot just called it out to the blue line. Touchdown. We have touchdown close enough. ES1 and SPX to the blue line. And also you're in the money on NQ1 and NS1. Everybody out there, I haven't asked this question in 6 months or at least 3. How accurate is the system? How accurate am I with the system? Everybody speak up. You have 3 rules. One of them is to thank God that I shared it with you. The other one is to do good with your profits when you make it. And the other one is to have my back. How accurate is the system as you see it go up to exactly where I called it, to the orange line, by the way, over here? How accurate am I with the system? How accurate is the system? Everybody speak up. So whoever this guy is that joined us, all 35, go ahead. Oh, it can't be 100%. I'm not saying it is. They are. Welcome to the channel. Good morning to everybody. Mercy, Stacy, Geo, Glow, It's My Time, Alex, Roy, Super Z, Tota Tata, Chris, Dan, User 62, Nicole, Vera, Ryan, D. Hardy, Gregola, Calvin, new line pool. Look at it go up before your very eyes. But I called this trade. Look at that, Keith. The robot called the trade. That's the power of what's coming up with the robot. It reads the charts just like I told you it was going to go. Told you, bam, bingo, boppo, bango. How accurate is the system? You just had 50 people tell you it was 100%. You just saw me call the trade before it happened again and again and again. Head over. I just loaded it up. There's 7 more available. Go over to the safetytrade.com and buy the system. Safetytrade.com and buy it. Oh my, if anyone just see the 15-second buy stop, anyone at all, the robot just called it out. That's your pink line. You would have had 0. That is the fucking power of the fucking robot. There it is. Thank you, Keith, for coding it so greatly. There it is. It would have called the ES1, the bingo, boppo, bango. All take profits hit. All alerts hit. All alerts hit. I don't know why it's not fucking sounding on my thing. There you go. There you fucking go. There your alerts are right here. Look at them all. That's from this morning. Look at them all. This, those grouping right there. I get them sent over to my Gmail so no one could fucking say anything. They're all timestamped. Look at it go up. I told you it's free money to ES1. Everyone out there should be saying, thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Everyone out there. Come on now, I want to see a hell of a lot more 7s and yeses and thank gods out there. You literally just saw me call a 15-second live robot trade. Told you which ones were going to go to the blue line. Told you exactly where it was going to go. Is that good enough? Who the heck was asking that question? Is that good enough for all you new people out there? Hello? Say yes. Say, holy fuck, how did that guy just do it? Because I have a fucking system, step by step. If I can do it, you can do it. We have dozens and dozens of our members retired from the system. They're just trading anywhere they want in the world. Some of them are on the live right now. I don't know if Mr. Gold is. Some of them are, though. Look at that fucking thing. Look at that. A live. Okay, I'm renaming this. Fuck CPI. This is now turned into a training video. This is now watch in stunned amazement. Perfect, perfection. How long am I in this video for? I don't know how long I've been running. Damn. I don't know, it's been a minute. Look at that shit. Just sure perfection. I don't even, was there any drawdown? I don't think there was any fucking drawdown whatsoever on any of them. For you funded traders out there, ooh, can't have any drawdown. Well, there's no fucking drawdown in your 15-second. Watch the Bribot robot make its first buy. It was Bree. It was. This is a. I knew today was going to be a great morning. I just knew. I just had that feeling it was going to be a fantastic morning. Fantastic morning. Training video. I'm going to explain why this is a training. I'm going to teach you how the robot made its call. Let me save that. Look at it, just perfection. That was just a perfect, perfect robot call. Thank you, Keith. Everyone should be thanking Keith for the great coding he's doing. Again, I don't know how he takes my mind and does that, but he does. He does. It was Bree. It was Bree. Okay, it's been changed. Wow, what fun. Who else here is just having the time of their life? 57 minutes, thank you. Let me, they can learn it. All right, 42 thumbs up, 43 people watching. That's the odds I like. Is that not the cool? So how does a robot trade better than 99.999% of all traders? It trades better than all of you new people listening on TikTok. It trades better than all of you new people listening on YouTube. There are some of my traders who would have caught that trade, obviously. So how does it do it? How does this little pink purple line right here, I have my blockers on, how does this particular pink line, purple line, how is it generated? This is automatically generated by the robot. It called the trade out for me. And this is what it's looking at. The great Keith Palmer has coded my mind into this fucking thing. I don't know how. And this is everything. I'm going to kind of blow your mind. Just take it easy on this. Don't have a heart attack. I'm going to explain everything it's looking at. All right. This pink line, the Bribot, okay? This Bribot is looking at multiple things. It's looking at ES1. You can see up here, it's looking at SPX, NQ, it's looking at NAS, it's looking at US30, and it's looking at YM1. It's looking at 6 symbols on the current time frame. Then it's looking at the same 6 symbols at a higher time frame. So then we have to go, it's doing it on all of those, okay? Then it's looking for what we call a buy stop. I'm going to teach each and every one of you how to trade in 5 seconds. A buy stop is so simple. Forget RSI, forget Fibonacci. None of that shit works consistently. This works consistently. This is what it looks like. I'm going to show you right in here. Okay, now watch. So it's looking for buy stops on all 6 indices on 2 different time frames, 2 different charts. While it's looking for that, it's looking for green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Who here is new and has balls enough to speak up and say you're new? Who here hasn't bought the system yet or is new? Who here hasn't bought the system yet or is new? Go ahead and speak up. Just say, hey, me, or whatever. Okay. Alex and Cuddy Lawns. I don't know how to say your name. I'll just call you Cuddy. How about Cuddy? C-U-D-I. All right, what's up, Cuddy? What's up, Alex? RD. What's up, RD? What's up, Dan? All right, I'm going to use all of you then. All right, here we go. This is all you got to do to remember it. There's high probability setups with my system. And if you mean by high probability, it's not near 100% it is. When you see green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, and the pink cross the blue on the sniper, but this is the core right here. Green, 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 red, green, green, green. You see all the green? In my system, this green stuff, these 3 little lines right here, these are real direction bars. They mean up. So this would be the equivalent of Lawns. He's trying to, hold on, we'll get to that in a second. So green means up, green means up. You can see all the green. It's quite, it's obvious. The candles are even green. We have green, green, green. Okay? But we're going to take the first person who responded, which was Lawns. His is a, okay? It is a green, it is a red candle down. So these little histogram bars are red. Red means sell or down. And that's what it means in my system. But in this particular case, there's only one red down. So Lawns is trying to go down by himself. Okay, so Lawns is trying to go down by himself. The trade's trying to go down right here. You can see price action was going down. It tricks about 93% of all traders to think it's going to continue to go down. But with my system, I knew better. It wasn't going to go down. So even though we're using an example of Lawns trying to go down, Lawns trying to go down, he's going to use the example of this. He's going to be swimming in a pool. He's going to try to go down to the bottom of the pool. The trade's trying to go down. Below him, though, is Alex and Dan and RD. Alex and Dan and RD. These are the 3 real direction bars. He's trying to swim to the bottom of the pool. He has 3 grown men pushing up against him, trying to push him up. Then above him, he has 3 more grown people. He has Joe and Larry and Kirk pulling up 1, 2, and 3. So as he's trying to swim down to the pool, I'm giving you an analogy here. I'm going to visualize it for you, okay? So let's look at this. The analogy is this. 1 second. Let me get this over here. It was Bree. It was Bree. So we have Lawns trying to swim down to the bottom of the pool. And let me grab this one right here. Okay, this is your analogy right here. Watch this video. Okay, he's trying to swim down. He's in red trunks. He's trying to get down to the bottom of the pool to get a coin. He's stopped. He's being pushed up by 3 indicators, being pulled up by 3 indicators. So that's what it looks like. So let me show you that a little bit smaller. And I'm going to compare it to the candles so you guys can see the analogy. And that's all you need to understand about trading. Forget everything you thought you knew about trading. I've been trading for 12 years. Yes, I understand, Fibonacci and all, they don't work. So this is what does work, and it's simple, it's color-coded, and it's easy. You can ask all the members on here. Should everybody new that's watching buy the system, yes or no? That's all the question is. It's all you need to know. Should you buy the system, yes or no? And that's it. There's no other questions to be asked. None. Should people buy the system, yes or no? And let's take a look now. All right. So this is what you're looking at. You have Lunds trying to go down to the bottom of the pool to get the gold coin. You have 3 indicators below him, the 3 green chunks right here, pushing up against him. That's these 3. By the way, it just formed another one. You can see the exact same pattern happen. It just went up again and did the same thing. Green, green, green. And then you have 3 people above. He's just trying to mind his own business, dive down, but he's stopped. The indicators over here are stopping it, saying it's going to go up. There's a pull up, green, 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 red, green, green. It did it again. It did it live, and it did it live again. This exact scenario I'm teaching you right now just did it again. And that's how it does it. Does everybody understand the analogy? Yes or no? Do you guys, Lons, Alex, do you guys understand the analogy? Yes or no? Morning persistent. You missed a good morning so far. It's been a blast. Okay. Does everybody get the analogy? The robot just made its first live call of many right here. And then the same exact trade just did it here. It doesn't call the second one at this time. It just catches the first one. We'll make it smarter and smarter. So you can see it going up. You can see the same high probability. Look at green, 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 red, green, green. It did it again right here. It did it again here. It did it again here. It did it again here on this one. I know you guys are used to trading, thinking the symbols they're all the same. These indices all trade the same. And look, the proof's in the pudding. I just called it live. Price action just went up from here to here. It just went up from here to here. I mean, we just did these trades. How fucking cool is that? Does anybody, yep, Dan gets the analogy. Thank you, Dan, for answering. Yes. Larry, yes. Okay, so at least I'm getting through to a few of you. And my whole goal, and a lot of people that I'm just trying to help each and every one of you, and I'm doing that every day. I've been doing it on TikTok for 3.5, in January, it'll be 4 years. I've been doing it on YouTube for 3 years now, August, September, 3 years. I have thousands of videos on YouTube. I make call outs. I give you free signals every day, of which, again, let's just go over that one more time. I know I already did it earlier. But these are my closed signals. If you were to put $1 in on April the 7th, you can go back and watch my live. If you were to put $1 in there on US 30, you would have went down $79 and went up $7,400. Same for my call on NAS, just $1 on SPX. There it is. A 0.01 lot size, in other words. If you go to your cryptos, I've been calling out Bitcoin correctly since 26,500. 2.5 years ago when it was there, I've been calling out XRP since 31 cents. These are all my closed stocks, but more importantly, these are the open stocks that I give you for free. Buy fucking demo Litecoin. Buy Litecoin. Litecoin is going to go up 3 to 4 times money. Oh, shit, shit, shit. Oh, God. CPI, CPI, CPI. Hold on, CPI. We got to go to CPI. We got to go to CPI. 3 minutes CPI. Don't trade. Do not trade CPI.
Demo trade only.
Let me see if I can get us anything. Hold on. Buy, stop, buy. So let me see what we got up here. Yeah, we're gonna need a dip. It hit its 3 minute line. Hit its 2 minute line. Hold on. Let me get the call for you guys. Oh my God, I forgot completely about CPI. 4 minute. No shit. Buy stop US 30 and YM1 to its 4 minute blue line. Buy stop to its 3 minute blue line. It already hit its 1 minute blue line. All right, we're gonna need a pullback. The only way we're gonna get into NAS, NQ1, or SPX if we get a pull down on that. Let's see. Let me go back up here. All right, let me see. Yeah, sell NAS. I never play a sell, but if you're going to force me to do a sell. All right, I'm calling buy stop on US 30, sell on NAS to the 4 minute blue line. I would never play a sell. I'll be looking for it to jerk down, and then, so this is what I want it to do at CPI. I want this to jerk down to somewhere around there, and then I'll get into NAS myself after play. It's gone up too high right now. We have to wait. So I'm going to wait for this pull down right here on NAS. Let me see if I can get over to here. No. Buy stop. 2 hour buy stop, SPX, ES1, NQ1, US 30, YM1, and NAS. It's a 2 hour buy. We have 1 minute to CPI, so we're going to have to hope to goodness we get a pullback right here. I'm going to come over to here. We need it to pull down, and then I'll be telling you really quickly what to do. So pay attention when I do this. Do lock in profits. Don't try to play it. I move real quick. There's going to be a lag. I'm gonna focus on NAS. Give me just a second here. Okay. I'm gonna put in a little thing. Okay. CPI in less than a minute. US 30 and YM1, just straight out buys. I'm going to wait for a pull down on NAS, and I'm going to get into it if you can. I'm going to put my buy stop right above here and just hold it. Okay. Here we go with CPI. There it is. In the money on NAS, you can close down NAS. You're up 50, you're up 100. There you go. You're in all kinds of money. Close it down. Boop, boop, boop. Take your money out. You're done. Finish. 60 pips just like that. 60 pips times 3. Look at it go. There you go. Look at US 30. Told you. Damn it. Buy the system. Buy the system. Buy the system. Buy. There you go. There's your money on NAS. There's your money on NQ1. There's your money on SPX. There's your money on ES1. It didn't pull down as much as I wanted on NAS, but I had my buy stops locked in. We made over 6. Look at US 30. Told you US 30 was the buy up. Look at it. Told you it was going to the 4 minute blue line. Yep, there it is. 5 minute blue line. Yep, there it is. Perfect. Okay. What the fuck do you guys want? Literally 8 CPI. Buy the system. There you go. Oh, you can't trade CPI. You can't trade this. You can't. What the fuck? Yes, you can. Easy money. You made 60. We made 180 pips in 1 second. Just like that. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, Arginus Luna. Good morning, Dennis. Everyone see I think a lot of you just take this for granted what you're witnessing. Did you see all the money be made? Did you see all the money just happen? Hello? Thank God, thank God, thank God. Hello? Wow. That was fucking fun. It's almost too easy. They only have so many tricks in the book. I really thought we can get a pullback on NAS, but oh well, that's just tough shit. I'm going to take that money and run. Take that money and run, honey. How nice. Gorgeous. Gorgeous trades. Beautiful. 15-second buys. US 30 YM1, those were 3 minute buys to the blue line. Surge. Look. And by the way, everyone ever think of how the hell do they know what it's going to do? How do they know at exactly 8:30 if it's good news or bad news? They don't. It's just one big game. It's just one big pony show. It's just a scam. Look at it go up. Look at US 30. How many pips would you have made on you? I didn't play US 30. I did NAS. Entrance would have been off of that. And oh my, Jesus, over 200 pips on US 30. Wow, that's incredible. You're welcome, Keith. Oh, Keith, get out of there, Keith. Larry, yep. Erica, yep. That's awesome. Congratulations to everybody. Look at that. Called out, traded out with you live, by the way. All of you perfect. Everybody on TikTok happy with those results? Who else is trading CPI with you? Who else? It was Bree. It was Bree.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Wasn't that just an amazing? How did I call CPI? Well, gee, I don't know. I've called CPI correctly every time, every month for the last 3.5 years. I've never missed CPI. Is that pretty good? Is that pretty good? Now, why is my Instacart shopper shopping now when I didn't ask you to do that? Good morning to everybody. Jeez, these people are nuts. Does anybody have any questions over anything?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Wow, people are just in a rowing. Okay, let me put some music on. Completely ruining our flow right here. Jeez, oh, Pizza is in such a great mood. Here we go. Let's listen to something, and rightfully so.
Yo, hey.
Listen to this music.
Tell them, yo, I trade anyone, toe to toe, let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SP, and you know it's 30 low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talk about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered. Red fold, yellow folder, don't matter. Let's go, it's over. Fake traders did this, did a chance. Game over, it's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I mean today. I was forged in the dark. You fake traders better run from the bark in the park. We gon' take it, tread light.
Welcome, Damien.
Show the patterns, keep up and lashes. You make me laugh. You get my blood up off the floor,
questions. I taught you how to take the trade. I showed you what it was going to do before it did it. I told you about CPI. I traded CPI with you. Hello? Weird ass fucking things. Okay, we're good. All right, peeps. Whew, that was a fun. I guess one silly thing gets me thrown off. All right, where are we at with this? Safety trade. All right, now get back to our fund. Sorry, I had to do a couple of things there. All right, killing it, Larry. Damien, thank you, Keith. Boy, I need Keith on here every fucking day. Unfortunately, Keith has a real job. All right, who here? Let me get back into TikTok. I swear to God, all my mojo is just thrown off over there. Dang it. We're going to fucking fail. Okay, everyone here, all 35 of you there and 40, so there's 100 of you between TikTok, YouTube. There's over 100, about 120 of you here. If you see someone trading live, calling out the trades before they happen, and trading live with you, and has been doing it for years after years after years, and has dozens, if not maybe 100 people on these lives that have been making money and doing extremely well with the system, perhaps you might want to get the system or at least look into it a little bit more. It's step by step. So instead of trying to, I wonder if I should do that, I wonder if I should do this, it's exactly step by step. Now, let me show you something here. This morning, we made some call outs. Oh, I never forget. I've never finished saying what the robot was looking for. I'll get into that in a second. If I go too fast, I blow up this thing and it resets itself. It did not skip over. I think it skipped over my thing this morning. Oh, really? There we go. Okay, this was this morning. Grand Rising 8/12 Tuesday, live trading, day trading, sweet trading, every kind of trading you can name. Upcoming on today's show, I'll call it 35 different symbols. If you didn't hear that, I did. I'm going to go over the robot new code. I didn't. Trade CPA live. I did. Teach you how to trade. I did. Answering all of your questions. I will. So the last thing we're going to do here is the robot. And I'll trade through open with you guys too, although it's going to be a dud of an open. Okay. All right. Now, this is how I'm able to make these calls. I take all of my little order of operations. Let me go down to that 15 second. Let's see. This was the fit. Listen to me now. You guys have to understand something. Let me be clear. When you see this line right here, look at it. This line right here, right? I shouldn't probably use the same color. Let's get a different color. This line right here, boop, was drawn out live before you. I told you it was a buy stop. And this is when CPI came out over here. Is everyone following? Listen to the logic. The markets are manipulated, rigged, fake. Came out here, okay? The signal by the robot was called out before CPI. How did my robot call CPI? Look, there's the facts. This is an automated generated line. Go back and watch this live. This was called out live. I said it was a buy stop. I said it was going to go up to a certain point, and it did. Okay? Please understand that it's before. Thank you, Ken Rose. Robot's coming, Ken. That pink line you see right there, that purple line is the robot. All right, here we go. Type out yes if you understand the robot called out CPI before it happened. Before it happened. Some of you guys don't even understand what you're witnessing. I'm calling out simple little 15-second trades, but the robot called out CPI. You can't deny it didn't. There it is. There it is. And there it went up. Go ahead. Go ahead and tell someone, call in, someone message in, someone go over to YouTube and send some messages, or on TikTok if they let you through, or you can send me your phone number and we'll call in. Someone deny what you just saw with your own eyes. Take a moment. This little pink line, oh, it's a buy. I told you it was going to go up. Told you it was going to go past thing. It did. I told you it was for SPX and ES1, and it was going to blah, blah, blah. And I told you we need a little dip on NAS for us to get back in. I just put my take profit in, or my entry, my buy stop in a little bit before the thing, so we were good on that. And then CPI came out after. I mean, there you go. I mean, what am I missing here? This is a computer drawn automated line, and it said a buy. And then it went up hundreds and hundreds of pips on US 30, NAS, and SPX. What more proof do you need that the system works? It's no longer me making the calls, which I did. It's automated. The robot that Keith has coded, the Bribot, is able to trade like me. Go ahead. Anyone here, 30, 40, 50, we got 100 something. Anyone here, go ahead. Deny it. The Bribot did smash it, yep. Go ahead. I don't know what more you need. This was done live. The signal was called out live. I taught you green, 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 red, buy, stop, green, green, green. There was two of them. Let's be clear on this. Two separate buy stops, 15-second, before CPI. And that's on NAS. Two of them before CPI. The robot called the first one. Isn't that cool, Keith, by the way? And look. It wasn't just there. These were the same calls for all indices. Buy stop to the blue line for ES1 right here. And then there, let me make this a little thinner. Watch. There was two buy stops to the blue line. It's a magic blue line, don't ask. For ES1. There was two buy stops right here for SPX. And I had just taught you that. Lons and all those guys, I was just teaching them. Right there. Two of them on NQ1. Two of them right here. And then even over here, which you can't really see because I got so many things open right now. Let's move this over. I'm going to have to rewrite all those. Well, you get the idea. It happened on all symbols. Can you imagine? They all had buy stops. They all went up. I told you it was free money to US 30 and YM, and it was free money to ES1 and SPX. Look at them. You can't deny that they're all the same symbol anymore. You can't say it isn't. Look, they all did the same thing at the exact same time. My system called it out, and you can't say it's me. You can't say it was me. My system called it and nailed this out. Before CPI, this pink line was drawn. Before it. I had two trades open after the Bribot called the signal. I closed one in profit, let the other run. I made a few pennies today. Yay! Congratulations, Keith. I made a few pennies. Nice. How much do my other ones go up? Because I always keep those open. Those are long-term buys. Speaking of pennies, yeah, a couple grand. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yep, no singing robot. Keith, can you make the robot sing? You don't have the sniper. So really, does everybody understand this pink line came out before, and then there was two buy stops on every symbol before it went up? before CPI, I was wanting NAS to pull down so we can get a little extra money in there, but that's okay. It just shot up. Sometimes it pulls it down right before, sometimes it doesn't. Okay. And this works not just on the indices, it works on your cryptos, all cryptos you can chart. It works on all stocks you can chart. It doesn't just work on the 15-second. It works on 30 seconds. It works on 1 minute. It works on 15 minutes. It works on blah. It works on everything. That was too fucking cool. There we go. Look at how many times there was 3-minute buy stops. Look how many before it went up. 3-minute buy stops. Here's a 2-minute buy stop. It's calling it out before it happens. Here's your 15-second buy stop. Here's a 10-second buy stop. Look, it's calling it out. The robot called out CPI. We're still not going to trade CPI, Keith. Don't get any hopes. I refuse to do it because the way they pull down and they can tap out our stop loss, I'm not risking it with the robot. But it called it correctly, but I'm not going to allow it to be trading it. I'm not. It called it on the 10-second. It called it on, you see the pink line on the 15-second chart. It called it on not the 30 or not the 1 minute. It called it on the 2 minute. It called it on the 3 minute 3 times. Before CPI, it called this. And that might be all of them. I don't know. I'll have to see. Yeah, it's probably going to be it, unless we get up to these real high time prices. You haven't got the BAC. You haven't got the... There you go. Oh, here, this is prior. Here's a previous one. It was calling it back here on the 20-minute. I mean, look at the accuracy. There's a 30-minute. Look at the fucking accuracy you're witnessing of a robot trading better than probably me, definitely you guys. You haven't got the BAC. You haven't got the... you haven't got the... You should see this. I know it called one way. Look at this. It called this thing. You would have made over $2,000 on this one trade with a 0.01. Fucking look at that trade. Oh. So yes, the robot's working. I know we saw a little trouble on the 10 seconds, 5 seconds, and 1 second, but we're working on that. Look at that trade. Look at that fucking trade, Keith. And it will know to trade to the blue line. Oh, jeez. Fucking a miracle is what you're witnessing. Oh, so excited. But I do every time I make a withdrawal. Beyond impressive, says Grant. The bot doesn't sing. But I do every time I make a withdrawal. Keith, you're funny as fuck. All right, does anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions on how the hell I'm able to make this robot order of operations for the great Keith Palmer to code? How in the hell can I do it? Does anybody have any questions over that? Anyone at all? No, I'm not a time-traveling alien. That used to be a big theory back then. When I first started, everyone said, he's a time traveler. He's a fucking alien. There's no way he can do this. Now people have just kind of resigned themselves to say, hey, I guess maybe it's... some order of operations. And I refuse to let this go. You guys saw the line. You saw me call the 15-second buy. I told you where it was going to go, previous orange line. Remember how high it was going to go, and let one run like Keith did, and there you go. And there's your fucking money. So off of this one signal, let me be clear. Off of this one signal on NAS, we're going to zoom way in. Now, the entrances and stuff keeps coding in still. So we can't, okay, I'm going to show you how to you would trade this signal. Okay, we know that it called the trade. We can see that clearly right here. So it called the trade right here. The entrance has to be when the orange line goes below the green and the yellow. The orange line did not go below the green and the yellow on this time frame, on this symbol. So then we're going to have to check here to see if it did it over here, which it did not. All right. So what we're going to do is hopefully we're going to try to go down to the 10-second mark. This is at 15:08, August the 12th, 15:08. Give me 1 second. 1500. go to? Okay. Now we're going to go down to the 10-second, and then we're going to do the same exact time, and there we go. All right. So, nope, it went below it here. So here, the entrance would have been here on this particular one. Pink has to cross the blue. It would have been right there. So your entrance, now let's be clear, would have been right here. This is called your buy stop. You put it in right here. This is your entrance. So you'd have entered here. It would have immediately gone up a little, but I don't give a shit about that. But let's see exactly. It would immediately, so you'd have got in here on the orange line. You'd have made a pip. It went down 2.2 pips. Is going down 2 pips acceptable on NQ1? Is going down 2 pips for you funded traders out there? 2.2 pips. Is that an acceptable drawdown on NQ1? Yes or no? Any funded traders? Is that an acceptable drawdown? I'm going to go over ES1 next. Is 2 pips on NQ1 an acceptable drawdown for you funded traders? Yes or no? Stud Breezy saying yes.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Thank you, Stud Breezy, for being the only person answering. Take profit would have been here. You'd have been up 5 pips. Aussie Trader said yes, sir. Thank you. All right. So let's go here and let's go here. And now that we know our entry for exact entry where that would have been, before it zoomed up, let me be clear on that. Now let's see how many pips you would have made. So you would have had a 2.2 pip drawdown, and then you would have been right about there into here. You would be up 183 pips. Matt, thank you. Yes. Grant, yes. So you would have had a 2.2 pip drawdown, and you would have went up 183 pips on NQ1. So let's write that out. Let's just see for argument's sake. And we're going to do the same thing for ES1. Is a 2.2 pip drawdown. Okay. For funded traders with a 5.6 pip take profit 1 and a 180 pip TP2 and running. So your risk to reward, your drawdown, how many, that would be, what is that? 10 times 180, right? So that would be 1,180 ticks. Is 1,000 ticks on a trade good? Is a 1,000 tick trade good on NQ1? I don't know if I'm asking the question right, but I think I am. And then we're going to go over to ES1, and we're going to take a look at ES1.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Wow. I'm really beginning to hate Instacart. I just do. What a nightmare. All right, now let's take a look over here on ES1. The same exact trade, the same exact time. They happen to do exact same time as they always do. So we're going to go over to here. We're going to zoom in. This is ES1. A lot of you trade ES1 as far as I'm aware for Funded Trader. Let's jump over here and make sure we're on the exact same time. Okay. So this is ES1 at the exact same time as the other trades. That's what it does. Our system is set up to be easy, color-coded, green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. That's how we spot the trade. Our rules state that the orange line has to go below the yellow and red line. It did right here. It says that pink has to cross the blue, which it did. It came up here. So this is it. Your entry would have been right here on this entry right there on that spot exactly. So this would have been your entry done automatically by the robot or you if you're manually trading. And you can see right here, was there a drawdown? I don't think there was a drawdown. I'm going to have to move this out of the way real quick and see. Let's see from there to there. There wasn't a drawdown. It says 0.0. I can see it visually, a tiny bit of a drawdown, but evidently it's not enough to register. You'd have got in here on the orange and it pulled to there. I guess that's a zero drawdown. That is a zero drawdown. Zero drawdown. Wow. Oh, I keep looking. That's all I can tell you. It's a zero drawdown. Take profit would have been this orange line right here. You'd have been up 2 pips. And then, of course, how many pips did this go up? So with ES1, it's even better. I mean, some of you say, oh, there's a drawdown. I don't see a fucking drawdown. Does anyone there see a drawdown on what I just did? There was zero drawdown. Zero drawdown. Sorry, peeps. That's what it was. Let's go back to here and see what this would have entered in. Zero drawdown and over 4. That's legendary. Is zero drawdown. Let's be clear. This is for ES1. ES1 before CPI. An automatic demo trade was called by our upcoming Bribot. Zero drawdown. 40 over 40 pips. Take profit. Not bad. Fantastic. How the fuck did it do that? All right. So yeah, that's the gist of it. And those are the two that you guys do for Funded Trader. So someone asked me the other day, can this work on Funded Trader? Yeah. My God. Instacart, Instacart, Instacart. Oh my God, what the fuck is this person doing? Any questions over anything?
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And Larry's the only one. Larry, I just love you. You're such a nice person. Does TikTokers have any questions over anything? Anybody have any questions? No questions there. No questions there. Okay. And look at that. It would in the future it actually grabbed this one too. Now that I look at that, gorgeous. It actually would have caught this one too later on. But at any rate, for now we're at where we're at. I can just wow. Okay. So I'm going to go over step by step. Do I have time to go over step by step? Kind of, not really. I don't know how to message someone on Instagram. This is driving me nuts. Oh, I should play some music for you guys. All right. Zero drawdown on a 10-second trade. Unbelievable buy system. Thank you, Ken. All right. Wow. I don't know. At this point, I am so pissed off at Instacart. This is embarrassing. I am just completely annoyed. They don't stop. I have the schedule for my groceries delivery at 1 p.m. and they're shopping at 8 a.m. in the morning. I appreciate the enthusiasm and I appreciate them doing the work for me, but not gonna work. Oh, we were having such a good live too. All right, does anybody want to talk about anything before I do anything else? Because it is 9:06. I didn't realize how close it was to market open. It's going to be probably a dud market open. I'm kind of hoping they pull things down for the next 30 minutes, 24 minutes, and then we get a nice pullback up for market open. That's what I'm kind of hoping for. We can see this pullback. I have never seen a bigger clusterfuck than this. Oh, I gotta play that music, get me back in the mood. All right, no questions on TikTok, no questions on YouTube. All right, so for market open, we're gonna wait for it to pull back down, then we'll get back in again after the pop. We'll get back in. Nice. All right, so no questions on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, or X, Facebook Live, and no question over there. All right. Let me go ahead and check gold real quick, 'cause I do want to see if we can make a little money extra on that. Here we go. Let's go over to gold. Because I always love when gold's heading down. That gives us a nice little buy opportunity. So gold, 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, 3,351.03, 3,357.55, 1 minute buy. To the 2 minute blue line, 3,357.58. Minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 45 minute, 45 minute. It's already did it. If you want to sell, you could do gold down to 3,332.28, but I'm not. I'm going to wait for this 2 hour buy, maybe a 5 hour. Beautiful on that one. 5 hour buy stop gold. I'm going to call it on a 7. 7 hour buy stop gold. It's going to dip a little bit more, but I don't care. What I'm going to be playing is this, or looking at anyways, is this. 3,357.69, take profit 1. 3,372.92, take profit 2. 3,384.34. I can't believe how high gold is. And then next take profit 3,407.18. And then gold will go above 3,439.54. And that is gold.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. All right, so that was gold. I just wanted to check that because we can pull some money. Now let's look at Litecoin a little bit more because it's so easy. Boy, you guys better be jumping on Litecoin. Buy stop to the 1 minute blue, 2 minute blue line Litecoin, $121.62. Litecoin buy to the 5 minute blue line, $122.03. Let's go up to the 15 minute and see. Already there. Yeah, there is a 30-minute sell stop to the 20-minute blue line, Litecoin, $117, but I don't care. Stick with the buys. Litecoin's a permanent buy until otherwise noted. 4 hour, perfect 4 hour buy stop. Take profit, $122.11, $124.33, $127.76, and it will go past $129.58. So that's Litecoin. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Litecoin is perfect. Yeah. You have a monthly buy stop on Litecoin. I mean, it's going back to $166.33. Then you'll be farting around $200. And then it's going to go to $270. And then right around $332. And then it's going to go up past $400. And that is Litecoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Now let's go back to our indices. We have a few minutes left. Let's see what they, let me see something real quick so we can get a good laugh. Let's look at ES1, 15 second, without my system and with my system, shall we? So we can get a fucking good laugh. We're going to go back to here, to right here. And let's see it, shall we? Okay, so this is what it looked like. This is what it looked like without my system here on the left. Let's be clear. Okay. Jesus, people out there are just insane. Good morning, MC Hammer. What's up, MC? All right, let's take a look. With my system, let's go back over to here. Let's expand this out, scoot this over here, and let's make it look equal. All right, so this is what it looks like. And let's go over here. So we're all the same now. We're going to expand this out. We're going to go over here. On the left is we're all charting it. No one does that, but you can put on any particular indicator you want, and there is no indicator at all that will tell you what to do here or here. With my system, you can clearly see right here the high probability trade setup, green, 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 red, green, green. As a matter of fact, this is even better. This is so cool for you to see. When you have the sniper, if you want to get it, you'll see the pink cross the blue, but when the pink crosses the blue, you see that, Larry? Look how cool that is. Now, if you come over to here, right, and then here, let me move this over just a little bit. Right there. And let me go here, right, and then here. All right, so this is exactly the same spots. Let me move this in just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now, if you go here and here, you cannot see anything. You can do Fibonacci retracement, look to the left, ascending, descending wedge, support and resistance. There's nothing here. This is a consolidating market, if you want to know the correct term for it. No one would take a trade in a market like this, but with my system, it absolutely easily tells you exactly what to do. You can see the high probability setup of 3 green up little lines right here. You can see the buy stop, the red. You can see the green lines up here, and you can see the candles are green. You can see it's going to the blue line. If you come over to here at this exact same time, there's nothing to tell you to take that trade. I don't care if I put on ascending, descending, Wendy's head and shoulder pattern. There's nothing here to tell you this trade was going to go up, period. I don't care if you're using RSI. I don't care if you're using volume VWAP. I don't care if you're looking to the left a billion times. There's nothing here to tell you to take this trade. Nothing. You come over here, the same exact trade is here. 3 greens, a little red, buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green. You can see your green over here, here, and our candles are green. You come over to this one, there's nothing. So without the system, there's no way to know to take this trade before CPI. With the system, there's shit tons of reasons to take the trade, and it's as blatant as Christmas. Green and red, baby. It's as simple as that. So if you want to jump in here, I'm going to show you exactly how to take the trade. Now, remember the robot line over here, that pink line? Let's go back to that. You remember your pink line, right? And we caught it on the 15th second to be exact, right here. And when we look at this trade, it didn't, the green, 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 red didn't just happen here alone. It happened on all indices at the same time, meaning you could see the green, 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 red pattern here, pink cross the blue. You can see the green, 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 red pattern here, pink cross the blue, and so on. Green, 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 red, pink, blue, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and see exactly right here. Yep, there you go. So right. Now, why I was calling it out to SPX and the ES1 line is because we hadn't hit the blue line yet. You can clearly see at the time of my call, this NAS was above the blue line, was above the blue line. This was below it and below it. Why is that important? Because everything trades as one. When one's lagging, they all go up together. Also, at the same time, US 30 and YM1 were below it. So we had all the same buy stop, the high probability pattern set up at the same time. Okay. Oops, hold on one second, sorry. There we go, we're back to normal. All right, we have just about 10, 12 minutes for market open. So when you had all these lined up and you saw all of them green, 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 red at the same time, 2 of them were below, well, 4 of them were below, 2 of them were above, and they all lined up. The robot took in consideration, I was trying to teach you this earlier, this pink line is the robot thought process. It's looking at all the indices, right? All 6 of them on 2 different time frames. In this case, the 15-second and at least the 30-second and 1 minute. It's actually looking at 4, but I don't want to confuse you all. So it's looking at all the time frames. Then it's looking for these buy stops, right? Boom, 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 boom. And then it's looking for the blue lines. Boom, 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 boom. And then it's pink cross the blue. Then it's looking at these blue lines. Who's below it still? These 2 were. These 2 were. So it's taking consideration, basically, not to get too confusing to you guys, but over 100 different order of operations to make this decision, to call this pink line 15-second buy. 100 different things it's looking at. Now, I'm pretty good at it, and that's what I would do if I was trading live. I'd be looking at all these different time frames. I have charts to set up everywhere. But the realistic part is not a lot of you guys are going to be able to master that. That's just not in the cards. So the robot isn't taking it. And all my signal service, by the way, just so we're clear, we have a signal service that you can get on your own. You don't have to subscribe to anything. The signal service takes all of these same things into consideration, and then it pops up, hold on, your little orders. Boop, boop. And there it is. And matter of factly, let's take a look. Is this today? No. This is not today. No. Let's go over to here. And these would be current, but these are big boys. This is totally different. Oh, we have a USD CAD. I can check this for you. We have a 30-minute, 3-week USD CAD. But the signal service takes in all of this information and sends out a signal. That's why they're so accurate. So when you look at this and you see the pink line, you're looking at, roughly speaking, about 120 different things it's looking at. We'll just say 100. Coach, look at Ethereum. God bless system. Much love. Okay, let's look at Ethereum. I just hope so. I hope you all are catching on to the idea that there is a lot of thought process into that robot. It's crazy what it's doing. All right, let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum's head. Gee, did anyone call? Let's see what we called Ethereum to, guys. Larry's happy as a pig in mud. And just wait, Larry. It's just, wait till you see Litecoin doing this. That's what's going to be there. Look at Ethereum go. There's your buy stop. Green, 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 red. Green, green, buy stop. Went past take profit. 1, 2, the orange line, 3, 4. It's going up to here, and now it's gone up to here. It's gone up exactly where I told it was. But don't take my word for it. Let's go into the Discord and see when I called Ethereum 1 billion times over and where it was going. Let's see if we can get Ethereum on here. Take profit 4 hit 4,900 and 5,000. But now let's go back a couple days here and see, because I know I called that a little more specific than that. All right, let's stop somewhere around here. ESP1. No. L thing. What do you mean? I didn't call Ethereum? Give me a break. Of course I called Ethereum. There it is. I called it here on 7/4, July 4th, 2,500, 2,592, 2,600, 2,600, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000. Guess I got all those right. Take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right on Ethereum. Told you. Just every call I've ever made, I'm the only trader on earth. Every call I've ever made is documented through a computer program that cannot be edited, and it's documented through live, handwritten or typed out, I should say. All my calls are typed out and they're computerized. So we have a trade tracker, which is open to all traders, and I'm willing to trade against any trader, but I never have anyone want to come down to the 5-second, 10-second, 15-second charts. I don't know why. Market open in 7 minutes. Everything precious. Market open. Please do not play market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Yes, thank you, Larry. Yeah, the Ethereum one's easy. I'm telling you, don't sleep on Litecoin, peeps. Everyone out here scamming, scam the Litecoin call. Look at this, is perfection, by the way. We need these to drop down even further, and we're going to have a beautiful 2 minute. Let's see. 2 minute buy stop, all indices. Take profit 1 for NAS at open, 23,645. Take profit 2, 23,673. Then it will go over 23,718. ES1, take profit 1, 6,424. Then it will go past 6,433, demo trade only. All indices are forming a 2 minute buy stop at open. I suspect they're going to fall a little bit further than flip and come up. Oh, I guess we don't need these anymore. Let's take that off. Okay. All right. So I'm expecting a little bit further pull down here before market open in just a few minutes. And then market open will happen and it will go up. In the meantime, let me just go ahead and do one thing. Let's listen to some good music, shall we?
Trade anyone, told let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SPX, you know it's already low. You haven't got the block, you haven't got the sniper, you haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up.
It's literally saying, I'll trade anyone out alive, and I will. But you guys don't have the weapons I have. You don't have the sniper. You don't have the Bach. Isn't that funny? I love this song.
I got my sniper locked and loaded. Night out one, what's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor, pips bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called, I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News, you make me laugh. We got it covered, red folk.
Just crush CPI.
Let's go, it's over. Fake traders did this, did chance. Game over, it's over, it's over. You can never take from me what I meant today. I was forged in the dark, you fake traders better run from the bark in the park. We gon' take it, tread lines, head and shoulder patterns. Keep up and lashes, you make me laugh. You get my butt up off the floor the whole ways. Don't work, come to the winning side, baby. Safety trade system.
3 minutes to market open. 3 minutes to market open. All right, buy stop. 2 minute buy stop on all indices: ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, and US30 and YM1. Buy stop.
Yo, hey, tell them.
Kev, tell them.
Anyone told let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SPX, you know it's already low. You haven't got the block.
You haven't got the. You haven't got the.
Safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up, line up. I got my sniper locked and loaded.
It's amazing that in 3.5 years, 4 years on TikTok and YouTube, no one's dared step up and trade with me. I wonder why.
I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about?
They can't trade 15 second. They can't trade 1 minute. They can't trade. They don't know what the fuck they're trading. Come on, peeps. I'm calling out what's going to happen before market open. My damn robot called out what's going to happen before CPI. Come on. Just quit fighting it. Truth always goes through denial, but the truth is the system works flawlessly, baby. Now, again, I hope it drops down a little further, but, you know, we'll take this. Buy, stop. Two-minute buy, stop, all indices. Market open in about a minute. Not that my fucking charts are pulling in worth a shit. Come on, peeps. 1 minute to market open. 1 minute to market open. If any one of these dares drops down, I'll get into the trade again with you this morning. If not, I'll be waiting up here. I already got some open markets. Remember, do not trade market open.
Demo trade.
Lock in profits.
I am not a financial advisor.
And let's see what happens. Come on, peeps. Let's get this thing going. US 30, buy stop, 2 minute. NAS, buy stop, 2 minute. NQ1 and ES1 and YM1, buy stops. SPX 500, 2 minute buy. We're just going to sit here and wait. If it doesn't happen at open, it'll happen after open. We'll hang out. It might be a dud of a market open too, by the way. Market open. Because they shot all their shot out with oh, this is so fucking cool. In the money on ES1 SPX. In the money on AS1 SPX.
Tell them. Yo, I trade.
Gorgeous. In the money on NAS and NQ. In the money, big money on US 30. In big money on US 30. Excellent. Excellent money. Excellent. There's a lot of pips for US 30 right here. Excellent money. Look at it go. Buy the system. Buy the system. Buy this. Look at US 30 go. Perfect. This is it right here. You're going to have start learning safe trade system, blah, blah, blah. The 575 one, there are 7 back in stock. Now let's go back to it. This is gorgeous. It hasn't closed yet. That's why the pink line's fluttering. US 30 YM1 in good money. You have time for NQ and NAS and SPX and ES1. You have time. You have time. You can take profit on US 30, by the way. I think we're good. All right, does anybody have any questions? I'm going to turn up my music. You guys can ask questions. I'm going to head out of here. Any question at all, ask now. I'll stay for the end of the song.
Tell them. Yo, I trade anyone. Toe to toe, let's go. Come on alive, choose your weapon. Get SP.
All right.
You know it started low. You haven't got the block. You haven't got the sniper. You haven't got the safety trade system. All you traders out there, step up. Line up. I got my sniper locked and low.
All right. Buy the system.
What's your emergency?
Buy the system.
Bleeding out everywhere you ask. Got margin called. I'm sending you back to your market maker. What you talking about? News. You make me laugh. We got it covered. Red fold, yellow folder. Don't matter.
We just ate the news today.
Fake traders think this dead chance. Game over. It's over.
You're welcome, Stacy. Thank you for being here on TikTok. We're going to go ahead and go unless there's any questions. I'm heading over to YouTube.
We don't take it. Trend lines and shorter patterns. Keep up and nasty. You make me laugh.
YouTube, any questions? All right, guys. God bless everybody on TikTok. Have a great day. Buy the system. Everyone on TikTok, have a great day. Thank you all for being here. You're welcome, RD. God bless you all. Hope you have a I'll be on later. I won't be on later today. God bless. All right, YouTubers, anything before I go? What a fun morning, except for Instacart. US 30 in huge money. SPX and ES1 in good money. You have time to make money on the NAS and NQ1 2-minute buy stop. You have time to make money on this trade. All right, God bless you all. Thank you all for being here. Blessings to you. Jonah. Morning. Good morning, Jonah. We're leaving, Jonah, unfortunately. You're welcome, Grant. Jonah, I need to get up an hour. Probably, yeah. You missed everything. 2 hours earlier, you should actually. All right, good morning to everybody. Good morning to everybody. Goodbye to everybody. Everybody have a great, wonderful day. Thank you all for being here. Look, you're in the money now on your NAS. As I told you, you had plenty of time. You're in take profit 1, 2, and 3 have all been hit by US 30 YM1. Look, you're in the money on ES1. You're in the money on SPX. You're in the money now on NAS and NQ. Told you. And this is my final song. God bless you all.
Tell them, yo, I trade anyone. Let's go.
Buy the system.
Choose your weapon. Get SPX. You go and 30 low. You haven't got the block.
You haven't got to. You haven't got to. Look at it go up. As I told you, as the system showed you, as the robot called out, I might add.
What's your emergency? Fake traders on the floor.
This is fucking awesome. Bye, guys. Talk to y'all later. In the money.